Here's how to replace the tonneau cover pull on any Ural that's 2013 or older. Here's what you're going to need. Buckle zipper pulls, 2.5mm shock cord, and you're going to need a pair of scissors. Take your shock cord, thread it through the loop in the tonneau cover. Make sure that both ends are even. Put the ends in the buckle, making sure they go all the way to the back. That's probably why it came loose in the first place. Snap the clamshell together and make sure that the tabs are all the way through and all the way flat. That's it. The 2.5mm shock cord is going to cost about $9 for 10 feet, and 100 of these clips are also going to cost you about $9. Both are available on Amazon. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, check us out on Facebook, as well as Instagram. Thanks for watching.